Hey guys, Toys Academy here. We have Shopkins vending machine, storage tin, and it has two special exclusive Shopkins inside. It comes with two Shopkins, one storage tin, and one collector's guide.
Yep. We're gonna open the vending machine. Oh, I got it now. Yay. Okay, let's take off the cardboard now. Oops. Okay, but there it is.
And
There's the two Shopkins inside.
They're exclusive Shopkins.
Yep.
And who are they? The first one
That is pink nutty butter. And the other one is creamy bun bun.
This is Creamy Bun Bun.
Yep.
Okay, these are just cardboards.
Yep. And we also
Need to remove the cardboards, and we have here the
a guide.
collector's guide.
Yep. There it is. Whoa, it looks different than the other ones.
Okay, now the shelves is completely empty. Yeah, why don't we place
Pink nutter butter
and
and creamy bun bun.
Creamy Bun Bun. We need to fill out this vending machine. Can you help me with that?
Sure. Oh look, Princess Cinderella has a full cart of Shopkins. Now let's put the Shopkins in the vending machine. Look at Lana Banana. She looks so delicious. I like taco teriyaki. I like the cheese inside. I like flutter cake because I like pink. I like cream tarts because I like bananas. He's scone. I like sandwiches. Here's Fiona fries. I like red. He's Betty birthday. I like cakes. Nutty spaghetti looks so yummy. Susie Sunday, my favorite. Healthy, Peewee Kiwi. Raspberry, also healthy. Wild carrot, so wild. Yay! We filled up the vending machine, but we have two more Shopkins in the cart. We have no more space in the vending machine.
Good to go! Now let's close the vending machine. All set.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch out for more videos.